Hi guys! For today's video ay samahan nyo kami i-explore ang hotel kung saan kami nag-stay for 2 nights dito sa Hanoi. Ito yung Siva Luxury Hotel. Ayan guys, budget friendly tong hotel and yung accommodation na nakuha namin ay may kasama na ang breakfast. So ayan guys, bakit tayo sa room and let's do a room tour.
Awesome.
Okay.
Shampoo and shower gel.
So ito yung aming room for 2 nights. Going back to Hanoi. Guys, mura lang yung rate nila guys. As in. Parang 550 ata na Vietnamese dong. Malapit kami sa train street, walking distance lang. Tsaka yung kanilang night market. Although malayo siya sa lake, mga 10 minutes. Baka grab na lang kami papuntang Coffee Jang later. Or Coffee Jang. Ayan siya guys. Not bad guys. So sa baba yung breakfast nila. Lucy kung ano ang itsura. Buffet. Ay, sa buffet sa'yo. So ito, morning. May cereals. May milk bread. Passion fruit. Natuwa ang passion fruit. Then my breads. Wow, spaghetti. Wow, may bacon. May soup, may bacon, may sausage, may meat. Gulay. Sobrang sulit, budget friendly at napakasarap ng pagkain sa kanilang breakfast buffet guys. So talagang sulit na yung babayad mo dito sa hotel na to. That's our review for today. Thank you for watching.